Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can have a higher quality video in FaceTime with allow more data on 5G on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on cellular. Next, tap on cellular data options, and then in here tap on data mode, and at the top here you want to tap on allow more data on 5G. Normally it's set to standard, so if you want to have a higher quality of FaceTime video, you can choose allow more data on 5G, and that's it. After that, tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.